Hi, we're Mike and Tammy from Carving Out Time, and this week we are down on the farm.
We are leaving Florida and heading into Georgia for our first time camping outside the state of Florida. Sparky even seems excited about it. We will be staying at a friend's goat farm where I will be learning how to milk a goat and help take care of the babies. Morning comes early on the farm, so I had a perfect opportunity to catch some of the sunrise. Who says this isn't hard? Me. Okay, I'm up higher, see? Yay!
With the left hand.
You got it, Brittany!
Yeah, you did. Oh, wow.
What?
You're doing good.
She's like, oh wow.
It's like she's surprised.
I'm impressed.
See, it didn't take you 5 minutes to learn.
Yeah. But I feel like I'm squeezing the crud out of her teeth. Maybe because I'm...
Oh, great.
No.
You're not hurting her or she would be fighting.
I lost it. I'm not getting it no more. No. There's still milk. You can feel it.
Gotta get the young ducks out of the barn.
Oh.
I heard
Holly,
that.
apparently you just have to be standing there. I like goats not cheese, not just... Ah! Okay. Apparently it takes me 2 hands where it takes you 2 fingers. This is crazy. But I have to go higher to get it to... Ah!
To get it to come.
Yeah. Okay.
Am I doing good?
Serious concentration here. It's like I have to do one hand and then the other. Oh, it's all like rich and... This is cool.
Got it.
Yep. Okay, I got a little bit out. There we go.
So you did both sides?
I did both sides. Now I gotta wipe me up. So do you do both sides at the same time?
I would do one at a time. It'll be much easier.
But you do both.
I can, yeah.
I'm coming in. Up where they meet. Oh man, I almost got it. I got both going! Yay! Don't pull, just squeeze.
She's actually doing good for the first time, right, Mom?
She is.
She's doing it, that's what matters. Oh, this one's harder. She's so patient, it's a good thing she's a sweet mama.
She is a good goat. You haven't sprayed yourself in the face yet.
No, just all over my arm and shirt. Do they supposed to good English?
What?
Like they don't go equal? There it goes. Like one's not going as much as the other.
Right.
Okay.
She just hasn't dropped as much on one side.
Okay. Wow.
Well, she's almost empty on that side.
On the right side?
Yeah.
Okay. Left. Yeah, the right side's the one I was having the most trouble with.
Well, she's got quite a bit.
I knew there was.
I see. Now it's all. Look at all that milk.
Oh, I did better than I thought.
Yeah,
then.
you did good.
Okay.
You did good.
cars video. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. No, ma'am.
My dad?
Oh.
You're so sweet. I love the babies. Want a bottle? Alright, let's try this. We usually make a mess, especially the first time. Because you don't know what it is. Tastes just like mama. Here.
Mm-hmm. She doing it? Good baby girl.
She's just biting it. I know. Made a mess. That's all you do at the beginning to get them used to it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Supported with my hand.
Like way up like that?
Yep, that's how she nurses. You gotta force that nipple because she don't understand what it is.
Open your mouth.
And
Then that keeps flying up my nose.
just don't get it in her nose.
Jackie, up your nose. Jackie, up your nose. Hey, come on. Up, up, up. How do you open your mouth?
Yep.
Hey, baby. She says, why are you being mean to me? Why are you being mean to me? You were snuggling me a few minutes ago. Oh, that was funny. You gonna call for your mama again? She was grinding her teeth. She's so upset. You ready to try again? Here we go. Open sesame. Maybe one little suck. There she goes. There she goes.
Yeah.
We got a couple. And a beautiful end to a great day on the farm.